Hi, my dear students. So in the previous classes, I have explained how to find the convergent and divergent of infinite series. See, in this concepts, we have two types of series: infinite series and power series. See, in this power series expansion, we have some different types of differential equations. See, first type is series solutions of Bessel's differential equation. The series solution of Bessel differential equation means this is one of the standard differential equations called as Bessel's equation. See, x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus x square minus n square into y is equal to 0. Our aim is to find the solution for these differential equations. You know how to find the solutions for the differential equations of sex and non-homogeneous we have taught in the previous classes. See here, one of the important thing in this solution is we need to find the value of the dependent variable y. That is the main important aim of the solution of any differential equation. But here we have variable coefficients. So x square is here, this is x square minus n square and y is equal to 0. For that, what we need to do is we have to assume the equations. If you have, see, this is f1 of x, this is f1, this is f2, like that, that will continue standard form of the Bessel differential equation. Here f1 of x square is equal to x square. That is a become x square. This is equal to 0 when at x is equal to 0. In the trial solution of the given function, this is a solution of the entire Bessel's equation. Y is equal to r is equal to 0 to infinity ar x power m plus r. This is the solutions of the Bessel equation. See, what we need to do is we need to find in this equation what is the value of x power m plus r. We need to find this is y. What is dy by dx we should find. What is d square y by dx square we should find. We have to find a differential equation solution. For that, we need to find the solution of this time. This is y. This is dy by dx or m plus r x power m plus r minus 1. Again, differentiate this. A r constant, m plus r as it is. M plus r minus 1 power x power m plus r minus 2. These are the solution of the dy by dx. We need to find, similarly, substituting all the values in the equation 1, we will get the equation like this. See, x square r is equal to 0 to infinity r m plus r. Like that, we need to find the solution of the differential equation. Okay. See, equation 1. In equation 1, what we need to do? In equation 1, we need to substitute what is d square by dx square, what is dy by dx, and what is y. We need to find all the values in that equation. For that, what are the differentiation terms we have substituted? Substitute in this, see, we'll get the equation like this. Okay. This is the substitution of the equation x square x. So substitute multiplying this x square to this x power m plus r minus 2, this x to this x power m plus r minus 1, and this can become multiplied to two terms, x square into this and n square into this. And substituting like this and simplifying, we need to take the coefficients. See, what is important thing is AR is common, x power m plus r is common, AR is common, x power m plus r is common, AR is common, x power m plus r plus 2 is common. You will get the step. The next case, the same procedure will follow. See, take the common, substituting. See, finally we'll get two coefficients. Here, this is 1 and this is 1. AR x power m plus r minus 1 and this is 1. Now what we need to do is we need to find, since we need to find the value of y, we need to find the coefficient of x power m. X power m means what I should find here. R, if I substitute 0, I will get the value of coefficient of x power m. What is coefficient of x power m? R is equal to 0, I should substitute. This will become a naught. This will become r is equal to 0 means m square minus n square is equal to 0. But a naught is any constant that should not become 0. That's why m square minus n square is equal to 0. M square is equal to n square. M is equal to plus or minus n. Means again equate the coefficient of x power m plus 1 now. In the previous case, we have equated the coefficient of x power m. We need to find the coefficient of x power m plus 1 by taking r is equal to 1. Take r is equal to 1 in the main equation, we will get plus r. Equating the coefficient of x power m plus r, we will get r is equal to r minus 2. Again, we got the value of AR. Why AR is very, very important. Our solution is y is equal to summation AR x power m plus r. Now we got two equations, plus n and minus n. Substitute plus n, we will get like this. Case 1. Similarly, case 2, put r is equal to, take r is equal to, L is equal to 2, r is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, r is equal to 4, etc. You will get one equation. What is that equation? This is the final solution of the problem. R is equal to 0 to infinity r x. If I put r is equal to 0, this will become a naught. If I put r is equal to this we got a naught, we got in terms of a1 we got and a2 we got, a3, a4 all we got. Substitute everything in this and write the equation in standard form. See, this is the required solution. This is the first solution of the y1 is the first solution, y positive n. If m is equal to n, this is the solution. If m is equal to minus n, this is the solution. This is nothing but m, x power m plus r, or x power m plus r. Okay, just substitute the value, you get y2. After getting y1 and y2, the required solution of the equation is a y1 plus b y2. A into y1 plus b into y2. y1 and y2, what we got, substitute in this place, you get one equation, gamma of n plus 1 gamma in all the functions of gamma n. Now this, what is the value of j1? This is nothing but jn of x, we will write. If k is equal to minus 1, we'll get this equation. See, finally what we'll do is positive value and negative value will substitute here. See, y1 and y2. Therefore, jn of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 for r x power 2 n plus 2r equal to minus n, means we'll get second formula. This is very, very important. These are the two important formulas, jn of x and jn of minus x. General solution of the Bessel's equation is written as a into jn of x plus b into j minus n of x. This is a very important theorem for you. The last series of the Bessel's equation is you should do that. See, another important derivation is j of x is equal to square root of 2 by pi x n. You know what is the form of j n of x? Just we have derived. See, j n in the place of n, what we have here, off is the put off for that. We'll off for the, this is also off, this is also off, this is also off, like that. So put all the values. Keep on simplifying the values here. Very, very important. This one is minus 1 power x by 2 of plus 2r. This is gamma of 2 power x by 2 power of x by 2 power 2r. See, that comes inside because summation r is equal to 0 to infinity there. And substitute the value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, you'll get this value. If you substitute the value as 0, 1, 2, 3, you'll get these values. 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. What is gamma of 3 by 2? You know, of gamma of is equal to root pi. Similarly, 5 by 2 came as 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 comma 3. Everything we will get one function. See, so x by 2, 1 by pi divided 2, we'll get 1 minus x square by 6, x power 4 by 20. See, square root of x by 2, 2 by root by 1 by sin x value. We should have x, but here we don't have x. That's why multiply and divide by x we have done. This is nothing but sin x for 2 get cancelled. This 2 can be as root 2 into root 2. This 1 root 2 get cancelled. This is one of the main important formulas. Similarly, we have another one. Instead of sin, they will ask cos for negative value. Same procedure, put n is equal to minus half. See, next one, see cos. That this is very easy. N is equal to minus half, you put and simplify in the same manner. Here, last step is very, very much. Here, no need to multiply x for this because x is not there in the cos x formula. 1 minus x square, but there we have multiplied and divided by x because in the first term we should have x there. Here no x. This is j minus half of x is equal to square root of 2 by pi x cos x. Out of these two, they will ask any one of the formula for derivation. Practice those. This is very easy. Already we have j of x, j minus half of x. Take the square root of root sin square x plus cos x will become 1. You will get the answer. Orthogonality of Bessel's function. This is one of the standard formula. Alpha and beta are the distinct roots of the equation. This is the same procedure what we have followed in Bessel's differential equations. Same procedure what we have followed in Bessel's differential equations. Important thing is the first two derivations are important, and Bessel's differentiation we have already explained in classes what we have done. But the important thing in this is orthogonal transformation is this formula. They may ask if this one, if they ask this one, write this formula. See, 0 to 1. Jn of x, jn beta of x is equal to 0 positive. See, this is the differential equations of x. Just substitute everything in that. X square u double dash is x into u dash plus alpha x square, this one is equal to multiply by v for this, multiply u for this, because this is they have given y is equal to jn of lambda x. Lambda is a scalar. You can take alpha and beta 2 times. Just subtract and divide by the value of x, you get two important formulas. That is the main important standard formula. See, the y equations becomes common. You take integration, no need to do, keep as it is integration. This one will. See, cases are there for this. Sometimes we'll take alpha is equal to beta, this will become 0. Not equal to 0 because alpha is not equal to beta here. That's why if alpha is equal to beta, then alpha is equal to beta, means this will become 0. 0 by 0 means infinity. By L'Hospital rule, you should apply indeterminate form. The Legendre solutions, same what we have used in Bessel's equation, we have to apply the same condition and we should get the answer. Same data what we used in Bessel's equation. See, same there also we have done the same. Here x power m plus r. Just substitute here, a0, a1, a3 like that. Just the values. This Rodiger's formula is also important formula for you. Using this Rodiger's formula, we can easily find the value of the problems what they will give. See, Pn of x equal 1 by 2 power n factorial d power n by dx power n x square minus 1 whole power n. Just substitute p naught of x n is equal to 0 means p naught of x n is equal to 0 means this is 1. Anything for 0 is 1. This is also 0 factorial is 1. 2 power 0 is also 1. That's why this is p naught of x is 1. This is the formula you should remember. P naught of x is equal to 1. So same formula. Equation 1 all ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ easy ಇದು. These are all the formulas you should remember. P1 of x is x. Rodiger's formula. Similarly, put 2, you will get P2 of x equal to 3x square minus half n is equal to 3. These are the formulas you should remember. See, P3 of x is, this is the formula of into x is nothing but 35 by 8 x power 4 minus 15 by 4 x square plus 3 by 8. From the above Legendre's polynomial, we can substitute the values of c. What did you get? P naught of x is 1. P1 of x is x. And this x square can be also converted as P2 plus P naught x cube. These are the values you should remember. Now, in examination, they will ask the problems of this type. Express the polynomial 2x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 2. What is the meaning of this in terms of Legendre's polynomial? See, 1 can be done as P naught of x, means 2 can be done as 2 into 1, 2 into P naught of x you can write. What is x you have here? P1 of x, just substitute. What is x square you have here? Just substitute the value of that. See, x square is nothing but this, substitute here. X cube is nothing but this. Just substitute the formulas and simplify. That is called as expressing the polynomial in terms of Legendre's equations. The Legendre's equation is 1 is equal to P naught of x. All the language like this. See, this is the final answer for that. Expressing the polynomial 1 plus x minus 1 on the P naught of x. X on the P1 of x. X square means 1 by 3, 2P2 plus P naught. Just substitute everything in this equation. You will get the answer in terms of P. That is the Legendre's polynomial, what they will ask. Express the polynomial 1 plus 2x minus 3x square in terms of Legendre's polynomial. See, 1 is nothing but P naught, x is nothing but P1, x square is nothing but this, x cube is, just substitute everything in this 1 plus 2x minus 3x square and substitute everything, you will get the answer. Okay, these are the main important thing in power series. Infinite series, we will explain infinite series. Okay, these are the main important problems on polynomials in terms of Legendre's polynomial. Legendre's express the polynomial 1 plus x minus x square in terms of Legendre's polynomials. Main important thing is you have to remember these formulas. See, what is these formulas? These are the formulas what we have. P naught of x, P1 of x, 2P naught plus x is x cube. Ishta formula ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು any problem ತೆಗೆದು directly substitute in this, you get the answer. See, very simple. These are the formulas you should remember. Only these formulas you should remember. Main formula. How did you get this all? These are all obtained by Rodiger's formula. This formula ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, see, this is the formula you should remember always. The Rodiger's formula is given by Pn of x equal 1 by 2 power n factorial d power n by d. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ P naught ಬೇಕು n0 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, P1 ಬೇಕು n1 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, P2 ಬೇಕು n2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, d square by dx square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, P4 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, n4 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ತರ. Is it clear? If you want, I will clearly explain what is this orthogonal transform, orthogonality, equations. This solution of Legendre's equation, how we got the values of P naught of x is all obtained from this. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ Legendre's ಅಲ್ಲಿ. This one, series solutions of Legendre's differential equation. How we had Bessel, entirely same as Legendre's differential equation. This is called as Legendre's differential equation. 1 minus x square d square by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Here f1 of x is nothing but this one. Always whatever the function we have a coefficient, that is called as f1 of x. f1 of x is equal to 1 minus x square not equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. That is f1 of x is equal to 1. If it is at x is equal to 0, then 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Hence the solution is nothing but y is equal to r is equal to infinity r x power r. Differentiation after y, you should find dy by dx d square y by dx square. Substituting all this in equation 1, you will get this equation. R is equal to 0 to infinity, r is equal to 0 to infinity. Common, substituting all the values, take common. What is common? AR, r minus 1, AR, r minus 1, AR, r minus 1. Take common and simplify, and we need to find the value of ER, equating the coefficient of x power r. If this want to become x power r, means r should replace by r plus 2. That's why they will write r plus 2 in the place of r. Then you get AR plus 2. This relation is known as recurrence relation, substituting r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, A2 is equal to minus A0. Substitute all the values. Put r is equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, A2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I need A2, A3, etc. A2 ಆಯ್ತು. Put r is equal to 1, you will get A3. Put r is equal to 2, you will get A4. Put r is equal to 3, you will get A5. Just ಸಾಕು. Just substitute all the formulas in the equation. This formula ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Y is equal to r is equal to 0 to infinity AR x power r A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus A3x cube. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈನ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ, A0 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A0 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, A1 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, A2 ನ A0 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, A3 A1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. We should have either A0 or A1. ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take A0 common and A1 common. After taking common, take this as y0 of x and y1 of x. This is A0 means y1 of x. This is A0 into y1 of x plus A1 into y2 of x. A0 by 1 of x plus A1 y2 of x. Similarly to the Bessel's differential equations. These are the two important standard differential equations. They will ask either Bessel's Jn of fx and J minus n of x and sin x and cos x. What will we have done? That are the two important functions they may ask in the examinations. See, this is regarding power series. In this power series, they will ask these are the three important formulas. Why do we have this and all? See, orthogonality of Bessel's equation. I've already explained that. If you want more clarity in that, see, if alpha and beta are the distinct roots of the equation Jn of x, then 0 to 1 x into Jn of alpha x plus Jn into Jn of beta of x dx is equal to 0. When it is 0, if alpha not equal to beta, or x whole square if alpha is equal to beta. Just same functions, we have to assume the value of the dependent variable as y is equal to Jn lambda of x. The solution of the differential equation x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus lambda square x square minus n square y is equal to 0. That u is equal to Jn of alpha x and v is equal to Jn of beta of x. We satisfy the equations x square u double dash plus x into u dash multiplied by v for that and multiplied by u for that. Multiplying the equations, we'll get two equations like this. Similarly, subtract these two equations. If we subtract these two equations, we'll get the formula like this. Then divide throughout the equation by x. Why x means this is, we have common, we can take x common, x here and x here. Then you'll get the equation like this. X into u double dash of u minus v double dash of u plus u dash v minus v. Now, this can be also written as d by dx of x into product rule. You can apply for this part. If I apply the product rule, I will get this one, these two terms, and this go to that side, and beta square minus alpha square u x u. Then integrate to cancel the derivative. To find the dependent variable, we need to find the solution of this. For that, we should integrate with respect to x for this. X into u dash v minus v dash u, 0 to 1 limit. Beta square minus alpha square, 0 to 1 x into uv dx belongs to the limits is 0 to 1 here. Integrating the equation with respect to x, you'll get this equation. Again, differentiating u and v with respect to x, and we'll get u is equal to Jn alpha x here, and v is equal to Jn beta of x. Similarly, u dash alpha into Jn dash of alpha x, and v dash is equal to beta into Jn dash of beta x. The boy equations becomes, just substitute all the values in that beta square. See, what is u dash, what is v dash, what is u, and what is v, just substitute in this place. you'll get one equation, that is equation 7. Since alpha and beta are the roots of Jn of x, get Jn of alpha and Jn of beta is equal to 0. Then the above equation becomes, that side that will become 0. Left hand side is 0, only remaining with right hand side. In this we get two options. One is alpha is not equal to beta and alpha is equal to beta. If alpha is not equal to beta means this is not equal to 0. Then this is the answer. Jn of 0. If alpha is equal to beta, what will happen? Then this term what we have is 0 to 1 x into alpha x is equal to alpha into j and alpha of x minus divided by beta square minus alpha square. This will become infinity 0 by 0 form because alpha is equal to beta ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Numerator also 0, denominator also 0. This is indeterminate form. That's why they will apply L'Hospital rule and solve the problem. This is nothing but half into j of x whole square ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. Because alpha is equal to beta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು if you would apply the L'Hospital rule, you get 0 to 1 j of alpha x whole square dx. Why whole square means beta is equal to alpha, you will substitute is equal to, if you apply the L'Hospital rule for this part, L'Hospital rule means differentiating numerator separately and denominator separately, you will get this answer. This is the important um, differential equation in this topic. Okay, important in this is first one, Bessel's equation and the derivatives of the sin x and cos x. Formulas what we are going to use here, by x cos x. Those are the formulas they may ask in exam. See this one. This is very easy. If you learn sin, second one cos is very easy. See this one, prove that j of minus 6, minus of here, n is equal to minus of. Similarly here, j of x, this is square root of 2 pi x sin x. This also they may ask in exam. This prove that y is equal to a. Find the series solutions of Bessel's equation. They will ask. You have to prove this topic. Y is equal to a into j of x plus b into j of minus x. So this is regarding power series. In another class, we have explained already the power series. How to find the convergent, divergent of the given series, infinite series. Practice all these standard differential equations and become perfect. If it is problems, we need to work it out. But these are all standard differential equations. We have to practice more. They will ask series solutions of Bessel's differential equations. You have to write everything. Okay, thank you everyone for listening my class.